Practice Panther software tutorial for lawyers. Law practice management software. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be teaching you how to use Practice Panther software for lawyers. Law practice management software. If you're a legal professional looking for a comprehensive and efficient law practice management software, Practice Panther is an excellent choice. Designed specifically for law firms and legal practitioners, Practice Panther offers a wide range of tools and features to streamline your legal practice and boost your productivity. At the end of this video, you will be able to learn how to use Practice Panther even if you're a beginner. So, let's get right into it. Now, as you can see right now, I am currently at the homepage of Practice Panther. And if you don't have an account yet, this is what you're going to see when you visit their website. Creating an account is very easy. All you need to do is to click on free trial, or if you already have an account, you're simply going to click on login. Now we're going to check out the different features that we could use in Practice Panther. Now there is practice management and they have solutions as well and resources over here. Under practice management, you will be able to use the law firm software, have a case management, document management, legal billing, trust, accounting, legal CRM, integration, security, e-payments, calendaring, e-signature, and two-way business texting over here. For solutions, you have practice types, as you can see here, like solo practice, small and medium firms, and large firms over here. And you have your practice areas, bankruptcy law, personal injury, civil legislation, estate planning, criminal defense, and family law over here. You could view all practice areas. Under the practice areas, as you can see here, these are the areas that you could practice your law at. So after you create an account, this is what you're going to see. We're going to be able to see the dashboard of Practice Panther. Now for today's video, we will be exploring each and every feature as much as we can. If the feature is something we can access, then we will discuss it in today's video. Now, as you can see right off the bat, this is our dashboard. We have a lot of things on our screen. Over here on the top, this is our navigation bar. We have your home, which is what we are seeing right now. Matters, contacts, calendar, time entry, different billing over here like invoices, expenses, flat fees, and items. You also have payments over here with your history, plans, and bank accounts over here, activities, documents, reports, and you can even turn on your privacy over here, which would block out this section over here if ever you're trying to show this to someone else. As you can see, it will block out the trust, paid, due, and billable over here. Now, let's check out our home page for the first time or for the meantime. As you can see, we have our date range over here. Under the date range, you will be able to see all the information related to trust, paid, due, and billable, and all the other information over here that is within this date range over here. You also have timers over here. You have your Panther payments. You have your calendar over here. This is like the get started section where to set up your account fully, you're going to have to finish all of this. Like first step is to set up your profile, then drop time, sync your calendar, add your logos, generate an invoice, sync documents and files, create a matter, and all of this other two options over here. And if you would like to finish fully setting up your Practice Panther, you're going to have to finish all of this to do here. Over here on the top part section, you will be able to quickly create your new contact, a new matter, a new event, new task, new note, new call, send message, drop time, add expense, new intake, new invoice, new payment, and new flat fee over here. This is a very useful feature to save time, especially if the software is going to make you go to the specific feature to be able to do such thing. It is very useful to have a quick create over here because with new contact, as you can see, you will be able to create all of these things right away directly in the home page. You don't need to visit them in their specific feature section over here. Now, although you will be able to create the timer over here, like calendar over here. Now, under matters over here, we can click on matters and we can view the matter section over here. As you can see, you will be able to see who is assigned to it. As you can see here, you could choose if it's you or any user. You can add more people to your view over here. You can check out the originated by, the status, whether the matter is open, pending, closed, or billable over here. And you also have tags over here and created over here. You can check out when it is created. You can change the way things are sorted by. You can also click on new over here to be able to create a new matter, and you can also import it from another source. When you click on import, you will be able to upload it in this section. But you're going to have to, as you can see, follow the rules when importing data. So we're going to continue for now, and we're going to go back. And over here, there we go. This is where you're going to see your matters in this section, by the way. You can also enable classic grid view, which would allow you to have a more modern filtering or a more modern view to your different matters, as you can see here. Now, to be able to create a new matter, you can simply click on new matter over here, and you will be able to put all of this information over here. The first information that you're going to have to put is the about section over here, like the contact, the matter name, and notes over here. You could also add some custom fields. When you click on all custom fields, you could create a new custom fields for you to use. You can see here, you type in the name and the type over here. You have all of this type that you could use. You also have your billing section over here. You have your matter rate, your invoice template, evergreen retainer, additional invoice recipients. You could add them over here. You could choose from a user hourly rate from all of these options over here. You have matter, hourly rate, custom hourly rate, flat rate, item price, and contingency over here. And you also have your different invoice template that you could choose from. Right now, we don't have any, but you could choose the default invoice template. And you also have your other things to add over here, such as dates and all of these options over here, or information. You have your assigned to, originated attorney, tags, status, matter number, and you can simply click on save. Or you could click on save and add new, which will automatically create a blank new matter for you. Now you can click on cancel for now. And when you finish putting all those information that we have just checked out, your new matter will appear over here in this section. Now you also have your contacts over here. You could add new contacts. Can be a lead, client, or anyone you want. You could add them over here. You could import it, same with matters earlier, or you could click on new, which would allow you to add a new contact into your section, as you can see. You could even upload a picture, first name, last name, home, mobile number, office, fax, email, client portal. You could also enable this if you would like to give your client or the person in your contact their own portal. You also have your contact notes, preferred contact methods over here. You could choose them from this option and also add a custom field. And you also have your addresses over here that you could add. And you can simply click on save over here, which would add this new contact to your company. You also have your calendar over here. You could sync this to any calendar that you want. If you have a Google Calendar or all those other types of calendar, you could sync them over here. That will automatically put all your different events into this section as well. Or you could also create a new task or a new event directly in Practice Panther as well. As you can see here, you have your month view, your week view, work week, day, and agenda options over here. And you could choose which day it should show the different things to. And you also have your calendars over here. You also have your user groups. You can create your own user groups if you want. To create a new task or a new event, you can simply click on new task on the top right. Then you can see link to the tasks, like the subject of the task, if it's all day or a specific hour in the day. Then the status over here, not completed, completed, or in progress. Then you also have your description, which you could add as many description as you want. You have your reminders and tags over here and email assignees as well. Then you can simply click on save and add time entry. Adding a time entry will add like a timer to that specific task that you have just created. For example, I have created a task that would require me to interview one of my clients. I would add like a 2-hour timer to it for me to accomplish that meeting. And if I don't finish that, it will then mark my calendar as something that I did not do. You can also do the same thing for event. As you can see here, when I click on event, you will be able to enter almost the same information. But over here, you could add some colors over here, location, priority, repeat, all of this different information that is available that wasn't available in the new task. Then you can simply sync it with your calendar over here. You also have your time entries over here. We could check this out. As you can see, you could enter them over here. You could enter multiple time entries or have one time entry only, as you can see here. And this is what it would look like when you try to add a new time entry. Now, aside from that, you also have your billings over here. Things that we are already familiar with, like invoice, expenses, flat fees, and items over here. For payments, you could check out your payment history, your payment plans, and you could also check out the bank accounts that are connected with Practice Panther. You can have your manage accounts over here, bank reconciliation, print checks, or print deposit slips. You also have your different activities here that you could do, like what we checked out earlier: tasks, events, calls, emails, notes, text messages, and workflows over here. You also have your documents that you could create. There's templates for you to use. You could even upload your e-signature for easy signing for different documents. And you have your files, intake forms, and many more. You could also check out reports over here. And aside from that, there isn't really other things that you could do with Practice Panther. You all have this quick create option over here, which would make things easier for you, which would make things much faster than going to each every section over here. For example, I would like to create a new task. I would have to go to the calendar and then create it. While I can do it directly in quick create section over here. And that's it, guys. That is how you could use Practice Panther even as a beginner. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.